Hi friends, the Nifty is in the short covering mode. Okay, you can observe it in the Nifty, and Bank Nifty it has given a good performance due to the ICICI Bank, and it is in profit booking mode. Okay, you can observe the Nifty spot. In the morning I have given the levels 18,000 to 18,300, in between 18,000 to 18,300. That is the range I have given, range bound market I have given, and it has made a high of 18,236, and from the morning it has shown downward momentum, but above 18,100 there is a good possibility of moving upside. And anyway, it is in the range bound market. Hourly chart also you can observe it. When you observe the hourly chart, in hourly chart also you are finding there is a good chance to find the downward momentum up to the today's low. There is a good chance to find today's low, but the last half an hour it seems to be sideways only. It is not great up movement or down movement. And the Bank Nifty has shown good upside. Today it has made an high, and yesterday in the last trading session I have given the target of 40,750 to 40,900, and today it's in the morning itself it has opened around 40,900, and it has shown upward momentum. It's all due to the ICICI Bank. Okay, that is the one thing to be considered. It is the Nifty spot. So the Nifty is trading around 18,120, above 18,100. There is a good possibility of moving upside, but we have to wait and look at the closing level of Nifty. Okay, if the Nifty is closing above 18,100, that is a good sign, and you can observe upside to be resumed. And the Bank Nifty, it is trading nearly 41,150 zone. Okay, 151, 150 zone. Okay, there is a good possibility of holding those levels, but anyway 41,900, that is a crucial resistance zone if it is upside, and the still upside is intact in Bank Nifty. There is no problem for the bulls up to 41,900. And be careful at higher levels. Okay, the Nifty is not so weak. Today's Nifty is not so weak. Almost we are finding the short covering in most of the scripts, the major scripts, and you can find Bank Nifty spot and Bank Nifty spot. When you go for the Bank Nifty spot, in the Bank Nifty spot, look at the daily chart of the Bank Nifty spot. Simply it has reached up to 41,819. Okay, actually 41,835 is the resistance for this, but anyway it has faced the resistance at 41,819 level, and still there is no problem for the bulls, but only thing is there will be some profit booking tomorrow. May happen, it may happen. Be careful at that level. And weekly support is around 40,600 zone at this moment. Above 40,600 always it is positive, and you can find the levels up to 41,900 or 42,000 at this moment. Okay, there is no problem for the Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty is showing the good positive sign. and be careful at these levels. But the daily chart also showing positive, weekly chart also showing positive, and monthly also it is showing positive, the good positive sign in case of Bank Nifty. There will be good chance of finding the level 41,900. After reaching the 41,900 level, we need to look for the shorting opportunity or continuing our long calls. At this moment, the Bank Nifty seems to be good, and Nifty's part is trying to form the base around this level. And in the morning pre-market streaming also I mentioned simply there is a good chance of finding the support around 18,000. 17,950 to 18,000 level that I have given, and it has taken the support exactly at 17,971. Look at the lines, what we have mentioned, simply the low it has made as 17,970.65. Our chart setup is showing 17,971 zone, the good zone, where it has finding some base, and there is a good chance if it is holding this level, there is a good chance to find the upside up to the 18,300 or 400 zone also. Weekly chart is showing like that only. It has taken the support at 18,000 or 19,000, 17,970 zone, and the first resistance will be 18,211. Then next target will be 18,420 if at all it is moving up. And why? Because the complete monthly chart is showing upside only in overbought zone. Actually the monthly chart is showing overbought zone. It is completely overbought zone. At any moment of time there will be big down movement in coming days. Completely it is the overbought zone. The complete indicators are showing overbought zone. So be careful at this level, monthly overbought zone. That is the reason I am giving the caution. And there is a good chance of finding the levels up to 18,320 maximum at this moment, and the next one is going to be 18,420. We cannot expect more at this moment, but it is a monthly expiry also there. We have to be careful at this level. And Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty's part also, it is showing upside. Already I mentioned it. Simply you can find the levels. Already I have given the levels. Of course it is a weekly overbought zone, and monthly also it is slowly it is getting into the overbought zone. At this moment, after reaching 41,900 or 42,000, be careful at those levels. Okay, daily also simply we can find upside is intact, no problem, and still there is a possibility of touching 41,900 in coming days. Not immediately. Today's market almost over. The last half an hour, look at the last half an hour chart, or last half an hour chart simply took the support at 41,131. Then there is a good possibility of touching the 41,500 or 41,600 by tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, just we need to check it out. Okay, if it is opening exactly at 41,600 zone, okay, the first hour will be downside only. Simply hourly chart, you can observe it. It took the support. Okay, good support, but there will be good support around 40,600 zone only. That is a good zone where we can re-enter our long positions. For option buyers also, they can find the level 40,600 or 700 zone. In that zone, option buyers can go for the call buying. Okay, that is a good zone. And the Nifty, I think the base is going to be 18,000 level, 18,000 or 17,900 to 18,000. That is a good zone where we can find longs to be built. Okay, anyway, just look at Reliance today. It has made an high of 1670 range. It has made the high. Simply 2670, 6970. Okay, this is a zone where it has faced a resistance. Actually, the good support is at 2600. Below 2600, there is a good possibility of finding the level up to 2430 level. 2430 level. If it is opening below 2600, there is a good chance. So look at the weekly chart of the Reliance. 2560. It is showing 2560 is the good support where we can find the long positions to be built for the next week, not this week. This week it is showing downward momentum. 2560 is a good support on the closing basis. 2560 is a good support zone, and monthly it is showing upside only. That is the reason we can find some supports in weekly and daily. If monthly it is downward momentum, we cannot go for the longs in Reliance. Okay, and next, it is not news based here. It is completely price action based only. Just be careful. All our indicators are lines. They are showing price action clearly. And if I say support, be careful at that level to exit your short positions. Okay, at support level, above the support level, if the green candle is formed, then only can think about the long calls. Otherwise, we have to wait to take long calls. But Reliance, a good support is at 2600 to 2560 zone. That is a good zone where you can consider the long calls. And look at one more script, that is Bajaj Finance. So we can go for the Bajaj Finance. Okay, see the Bajaj Finance, it took the support around 73.55 today, or 73.20. Okay, again there is a good possibility of finding the level up to this level. After reaching this level, if this level is not taken out, 72.63 or 73.20 is not taken out, then there is a good possibility of finding the levels up to 7741 levels. Because weekly it is showing some down momentum, and there is a good support at 73.20, 72.95. Okay, 73.20, there we can consider the long calls for the Bajaj Finance. For the target of 7900 in coming days, and monthly also simply it is forming some dozy formation at this moment, and double top also we can find double top also. If it is unable to cross the level 8000, then there will be a problem for the long calls positionally. And the next one is Maruti Suzuki. Look at it, is a sideways momentum. It is showing sideways momentum. Already we reached our monthly targets 7700. After reaching the 7700, it has faced the resistance at that level, and profit booking is happening above 7145, above 7145 or above 700. Okay, there is a good chance of finding the levels again, 7700 levels. No problem for the bulls for the next month, not this month. Daily chart also you can find good support at 7200, 7200. There is a good support. If the support is taken out, then only can find 6741 level. But less number of chances to break this level. Any chance, if by any chance it is breaking this level, then you can find the levels to be watched is 6741, and at this moment it is in the range of 7200 to 7387 zone. Okay, that is a zone. And weekly also it is there is a good possibility of finding the support at 7150 level, 7150 to 7000. It is a crucial level. 7000 to 7200 is a crucial level for the Maruti. If that level is not taken out, then again you can find the levels 7800 levels in coming days in the Maruti. Okay, and look at Sun TV. It is showing a good upside at this moment. Okay, in the Sun TV, just you can find levels. Okay, the weekly it is showing up, and today it has reached the level up to 570 level. Simply it is good going, and in coming days it is showing upside once 586 has been taken out monthly. On the monthly basis, if the 586 has been taken out, above 586 you can find the levels up to 650. Okay, if it is taken out, strict resistance is at 586. If the 586 is taken out, then only can find upper levels up to 650 levels. Okay, it is sideways market. Actually, it is not completely upside or downside. It is showing sideways market only. At this moment, the complete upside is in Banknifty. And those who are following the trend, they can follow the trend in Banknifty. 1000 points, still 1000 points left in the Banknifty. And next the monthly we have seen, and weekly also you can find it. It is showing some upside. There is a good possibility of reaching up to 586. Already I mentioned it. Monthly also 586 is a crucial zone. If that 586 level is taken out, then you can find nearly 650 zone. There onwards you can maintain the long calls positionally, and there will be good upside in Sun TV. That also can be considered. And look at ICICI Bank. In ICICI Bank, today it has shown upside and monthly. The breakout, simple breakout, and weekly also we are finding the simple breakout. But the maximum level, monthly maximum level, what we can find is just 685 is simple support for the ICICI Bank monthly support. But at this level, going long is not preferable. Almost the upper level target has been reached. There is no scope for the bulls at this moment. Almost reached. Okay, above 830. If at all we want to go for the long at this moment, 830 is the stop loss. By keeping the 830 as a stop loss, the upside can be up to 880 levels. 830 is the strict stop loss, and 880 is the 830 is the stop loss. 880 is the target for the ICICI Bank. Okay, but to try going for the long is not preferable at this moment in ICICI Bank. Okay, again look at the Nifty spot. We can find Nifty spot here. Okay, it is above, trading above 18,100 zone, 107 zone. That is a good sign. If it is closing above that level, then by keeping the stop loss at 17,950, we can maintain long calls up to 18,400 zone in coming days. Okay, above 18,180. You can find some upside. Just be careful at this level. It is a Nifty spot. The Bank Nifty spot, you can find Bank Nifty spot. Already I have given the levels, and you can maintain those levels. But be careful at 41,900 to 42,000 zone. That zone is so important for the Bank Nifty. Okay, be careful at this level, the Bank Nifty levels. Okay, I hope just you can find these levels are useful for doing trading. and you can follow our pre-market streaming also, so that you can do trading better with the help of the levels. And the individual scripts, the banking scripts, HDFC Bank, HDFC Bank. When you have HDFC Bank, it is it has taken the support at 1635 level. That is the level you can find out. Above 1635, again you can look for the levels nearly 1700 levels. Okay, monthly also it is showing upside, good upside, and weekly also simply took the support at 1627 level. This is a good support zone. Okay, once you can maintain long calls by keeping the stop loss below 1625 levels. Okay, still there is a possibility of moving upside in coming days, and just at this moment we need to look for the support levels. With the help of the support we can trade scripts at this moment. Okay, the Nifty part, Banknifty part. Okay, these are the levels in the Nifty and Banknifty, and some important scripts we discussed. And tomorrow, pre-market live session will discuss about the SGX Nifty levels, then the individual scripts also. At this moment, 18,000 to 17,950, that is the good support zone for the Nifty levels. Based on that, do trading. Thank you for watching our analysis. Have a good day.